Alright guys, so I tried to make a video on this. It's not uploading to YouTube, so what I'm going to ask you to do is to go on Lumen Home and read this section entitled Use the Discriminant to Classify Solutions of Quadratic Equations. And so here's the basic idea. When we have the quadratic formula, we look underneath what's underneath the radical sign, and it tells us a lot of information. All right, so let me keep this on the screen so you can read it. If b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, we have one repeated rational solution. If b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0 and is also a perfect square, we have two rational solutions. If b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0 but not a perfect square, we have two irrational solutions. If b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, we have two complex solutions. That is, we have no real roots, right? And so you can read the rest of it on Lumen Home. So the discriminant, of course, is defined here as the expression under the radical sign, all right? So please note that. I'm trying to keep this video short. So here are some examples of how the discriminant is used. So we have these four equations, and just pause the video when you get there and look at it. So we have these four equations. You can zoom in and see them. And here's how we define the discriminants of all these, all right? So all four equations are here, and the discriminants are here on the screen. Please take your time to read over them and try to hopefully get a grasp of what's going on.